Do you hear that? Other than that, that's pepperoni. It's raining. Oh, I'm gonna fall. I don't have my tripod, so I'm trying to hold coffee and hold you. There's pepperoni over there hollering at me. You have hay. You have hay. You have hay. It's up there. You have to walk there. Yeah. She's hollering at me.
If you don't give them it, they're gonna climb over. And then it'll just be hard.
I know. I'm talking. Can I?
What?
To my girl. She's usually the voice of reason. We're gonna go this way. I will be right there. And then there's the troublemaker. So you can see right there. You're a tard. Yes. All right. Hey, Roni. Got a little something on your head. What you doing? You're my girl, aren't you? Oh my goodness, you're such a good girl. You stay in the fences, knock on wood. Such a good girl. Beefcake, you're neither a well-behaved cow or a girl, so I can't call you that. Here, let's get this off your head. There. Okay, so we're doing some chores. We got a little late start this morning, but such is life. And the cows are happy. The goats are getting happy. I'm gonna go check on the new chicks. Not the new chicks, the chicks in their new home. I'm just really hoping they did okay through the night. I get all mama worried about my animals sometimes, especially during transitions and then birth or transport for that matter. So let's go check on the chicks. All right. First things first. All right. I hear Anime is hollering, and I'm assuming that's Lola, because it's always Lola. Was it Lola? Can you make sure to cover up the grain, please? Did you give them their zinc? Do they need more minerals?
They needed more baking soda because they knocked it over.
They knocked it over. Well, baking soda or sodium bicarbonate, that's cheap, so no big deal there. And we have some. It is. You want to go check on the chickens with me?
Mama tried to get out. Sure. I still need...
This is our goat area. It's kind of a mess right now, but the two things behind me, it's kind of hard to see. I'll show you guys later when I actually have light in here. Those are our maternity suites. I'm going to put my coffee down. And nope, the light's not on. We just got to go in. Hi, goats. Oh my goodness. Hi. They need hay. We'll get them hay here in a second. I just want to check on our chickens. So we show them the girls. There's the girls. That one's a turd.
Turd.
She always gets out. She does. All right, let's check on them here. Hi, guys. Oh, they're doing good.
They didn't get eaten by rats?
They didn't get eaten by rats. We were afraid. So if you have animals and you have grain, you're going to have some kind of rodent. And I was really afraid that a rat was going to get in here and eat my chicks. But they're doing good. I'm so excited. Here. hopefully mostly girls. Nothing against the boys. Girls give me eggs. Somebody's in heat. Good night. If you can hear that, everyone, that is a goat in heat. We did not.
We should see who it is so we know if they're hanging around.
You should go see who it is.
Okay.
We did not breed all our goats. And dwarf Nigerians can breed multiple times a year, not just once a year like some goats. Some dairy goats. Oh, babies. Oh, poor little baby. They're all doing good. All 17 of them. 17 out of 22 hatched, baby. Oh my gosh, that goat is crying.
No, come here. You're okay.
Anybody? See if she's gonna do it. We have a goat in heat. We didn't breed her. And she sounds demonic. There's another one. There's another. You're getting less ugly. Yeah. You're getting less ugly. You might be a boy. I can't tell.
Yeah, I can't really tell with this one.
All right, folks. It's roughly, that's from the turkeys. It's roughly 45 degrees in here. A little over, probably like 46, 47 degrees in here. And they've adjusted pretty well. We've slowly weaned our chicks from that 90 degrees from when they were first hatched all the way down to like 50 to 60. And then yesterday evening, day, whatever, we moved them out here. This is underneath our lean-to. It's a brand new coop that my beautiful husband built last year. And it is part garden shed, part coop. And at first we weren't sure if we were going to use it because it turned out a little bit smaller than we wanted it to. But now we're thinking it's a perfect transition spot for these small chicks. And we have roughly 50 more coming next week or the week after. So we'll have plenty of egg layers. We'll most likely sell eggs.
More egg layers?
Yeah, more egg layers. We ordered both. So we have egg layers, roughly 50 egg layers. We got some roosters in there too. Next week, I think they're coming. They're coming from McMurray's hatchery. And we also ordered 50 Cornish cross, little dinosaurs. Stop saying They look like little dinosaurs.
They do.
They do. And they're like all goofy. Anyways, those will come mid-July. And then we will harvest those and butcher them up and get them in the freezer in the fall, which will be perfect because I usually like to try to harvest animals in the fall. There's less flies. It's cooler out. You can keep, it's just all around. You don't have to worry about the heat and the flies as much. So, very, very excited about that. And I have to stop saying, Accidental farm kid. It's a good thing. I just fed the girls and I'm just sitting in here with the goats because why would you not cuddle goats? See? Oh, Edna and Honey. Mother and daughter right there. And then the spotted one in the back there, she's still not sure if she loves me, but that's this one's, the brown one's daughter from last year. Oh, she's starting to bag up a little bit. Star's starting to bag up.
How long until they get there?
Could be less than a month.
Less than a month?
They need to get their CD&T shot today. Forgot yesterday. And hopefully I can have some help from an adult because they get a little squirmy and I don't want to jab a needle, hurt them. Just never know with goats because they can be super unpredictable. Sometimes they do shots like a champ. Sometimes they scream and holler and run away. So, this is our goat barn. I'm really praying it doesn't flood with all the snow that we've had. You guys, we've had 80 plus inches of snowfall. We've had 80 plus inches of snowfall this year. 80 plus. So, everything looks good so far. Gimmies. We'll get more. Thank you guys for joining me today. Hope you had fun. Take care. Have a blessed day.